That's another Geographic case, level 1. Seed to plant. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. White water lily, fern, tangerine tree. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers, others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too. Orchids. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruit and vegetables. These plants give us food. A farmer in his cotton field, a bear in a tree. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy homes for animals. Parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Arms are like leaves. Your body is like a stem. Feet are like roots. Roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand up tall. Leaves soak up the sunlight. Leaves, stem, root. How does a plant begin? 1. Let's begin. Most plants start as a seed. 2. The seed splits open. A shoot pushes out. This is called germination. A new plant is beginning. Buzzwords. Germination. Sprouting a new plant from a seed. Seeding. A young plant. A seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil. A stem pushes up into the air. Leaves, stem, roots. A plant grows. Watering a garden helps it grow. Just like you. Plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. Buzzword. Soil. The top layer of earth, which plants grow in. What do plants need? Plants need these things in order to grow. Soil, water, food, sunlight, air, space. Water and some food come in from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. Sunlight, air, soil, water, and food. 6. Fun plant facts. 1. This palm tree seed can weigh as much as a 4th grader. It's the heaviest seed in the world. Scrub it up. 2. Scrub it up in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. 3. The paper for this book was made from trees. 4. A sunflower can make as many as 1,000 seeds. 5. Bamboo grows the fastest of any plant. It can grow as tall as 3-year orchid in one day. 6. The tallest living tree is taller than the Rise of Liberty in New York, USA. Flowers bloom. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bulb called a bud. The bud slowly opens. Petals gently unfold. Surprise! It's a flower. Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower, and the pollen rubs off other flowers. This is called pollination. This helps flowers make seeds. That word, pollination, the moving of pollen from one flower to another. This makes seeds grow. Seeds. Plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seeds. This case is called a pod. Peas and maple trees seeds grow in pods. Seeds, pea pod, maple tree pod seeds. Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside. Seeds. The strawberry seeds are on the outside. Now the seeds take a trip. Some float on the wind, others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground. Soon they sprout or germinate. A new plant begins. A bird carries a berry with a seed inside. A swallow holds a large seed. Dandelion seeds scatter in the wind. Past the plants, please. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? A panda eats a bamboo plant. Watermelon is a fruit that comes from France. Make your garden grow. You can grow your own bean plant. Ask them grown up for help. You'll need 1 lima bean seed, a cup of water, a 4-inch flower pot, glass jar or paper cup, soil. Soak 1. Soak up your seed in a cup of water overnight. 2. Fill the flower pot with soil. Push your seed down into the soil about 1 inch. Add a little water to moisten the soil. 4. Place the spot in a warm, sunny spot. Add a little water whenever the soil gets dry. Your seedling will sprout within 1 week. What in the world? These pictures shows a close-up views of things in this book. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. Answers are on page 31. Hint. This opens 1. Hint. This opens into a flower. 2. Hint. This part of a plant takes sunlight and air. 3. Hint. This flower can make up to 1,000 seeds. 4. Hint. This falls and waters the plants. 5. Hint. This buzz as it flies from flower to flower. 6. Hint. This has seeds on the outside. 1. Word bank, leaf, rain, bee, bud, strawberry, sunflower. 1 bud, 2 leaf, 3 sunflower, 4 rain, 5 bee, 6 strawberry. Germination, the sprouting of a new plant from a seed. Pollination, the moving of pollen from one flower to another. This makes seeds grow. Seedling, a young plant. Soil, a top layer of earth, which plants grow in. The end.